Hello, my name is Prabhu Prakash, a photographer and a Canon influencer. Today, I am at a restaurant in Mumbai for lunch with my friends. Along with having some talks over food, I am also going to explore the new Canon EOS 200D Mark II. One fun thing that we got to do here was that the chef invited me to do some food photography. When he got to know that I'm a professional photographer. What a day it was, and the Canon EOS 200D Mark II definitely made the memories worth cherishing.